This is a toaster. I thought it was a toaster oven, but this is an actual toaster. We would drop whatever in here. It's a really big space for you to put something I can put my hand in. I thought this would open, but it doesn't. So I guess you can only put bagels in? Because, your only options are well, a bagel. Can't really, why aren't they focusing right now? That's a little weird. Ugh, move. Damn dog. But yeah. Bagel, defrost, and cancel. There wasn't a book or anything. It was just the box. Oh, I'm lying. There is a book. My bad. Okay, it's toasting. Okay. Well, now that it's put it on bagel to only toast one side. And anything you want toasted on both sides, you would put on your defrost, I'm assuming. Your frozen things that you want to. I'm going to have to use it and see actually what it does. Because I don't eat bagels, so we're going to have to try something else and see how that works.